Hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to grow out your eyelashes and also thicken your eyebrows. This was a very requested video of mine, so I'm finally here doing it for you guys. So not only I'll be talking about the tips, I'm also going to be showing you my personal routine and what products I use. So if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Just subscribe already. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so let's get to that goal. And without a further ado, let's just start this video. Okay, so here are some tips for eyelashes. I'm not going to be reading everything, but anyways, use as little mascara and false lashes. I know we love them lashes, but in order to grow them, you might need to stop for a bit. I mean, it's quarantine, so perfect timing for that. Always use an oil on the eyelashes before applying mascara or whatsoever. It acts as a primer, I'd like to say, and it keeps the eyelashes protected, you know? I've been using this method for a long time, and when you use an eyelash curler, here's the order, okay? And do not heat it. That's what I'm saying. Do not heat it. It's not worth it. And lastly, use a gentle oil, cleansing balm, micellar water, or any sort of makeup remover that's not makeup wipes. That's it. So yeah, that's for this slide. Now we have some tips for them beautiful brows. So when you're doing your brows, make sure you apply an oil to protect the hair, just like the mascara method I mentioned. So what I mean doing your brows is just overlining with pencil, concealer, all that, not plucking. So use a clear soap bar and put water and take a spoolie. I'm about to show you that in a bit, and then kind of do your eyebrows first and then overline with your pencil or whatsoever. It just keeps them in place, and I love this method. I've been using this for a long time. And to thicken your eyebrows, you use the growth ingredients, and same for eyelashes. I will be showing them in a bit. And use an ice cube on the eyebrow area before plucking to ease the pain. So feel free to pause this. I'll be reading this a little fast. So anyways, every day, twice a day, use a spoolie to brush out your eyelashes and eyebrows. Just like you brush your hair, it's important to brush out the eyebrows and stuff. So use your growth ingredients or oils if you want. That will work out. And use a aloe vera gel as a primer on your brows or even eyelashes. Trust me, it's worth it. It'll keep your hairs in place, and it'll also keep them safe. And whatever you do, just do not apply any heat onto your eyebrows. There's this life hacks, take your eyelash curler and blow dry it to heat it up to get a better lash look. Trust me, it's not worth it. Your lashes are all gonna fall off. It's not fun. And what you've been waiting for, the growth ingredients. So here are some oils. They're all actually oils except for aloe vera gel. So use these every day and night, and with a spoolie like I said last time, and trust me, they have made such a difference. And the most common ones are argan oil, almond oil, mustard oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. But trust me, my favorites are vitamin E and coconut. They do the fastest results ever. So here is my eyelash and eyebrow routine. Let's get into it. So I like to start off with, so this is the eyebrow, so I take a soap bar and just wet it, and take a spoolie and just rub it on to get a little bit of that soap in there. And then on my eyebrows right here, you see no makeup, nothing. I'm breaking out, so ignore that little pimple. But anyways, I like to take it and brush it out. So you can use oil before this as your primer that I was saying, or you can just use this directly. I like to use soap first, and then I like to apply an oil just so the shape is easier to form. But yeah, form your shape and that's it. And then next up, here's the oil. So I'm using vitamin E. The labels are completely chipped off, but these are my vitamin E capsules, and I'm going to use this. I have no clue what this is called, but this is an eyebrow brush, I'm guessing. So you can use a spoolie for that as well, and then you just gotta brush it out with the oil without trying to ruin the shape of your brows that you've shaped. So next up, we are going to take coconut oil. I think we're doing lashes now because I'm voiceovering this. Yes, we are. Lashes, okay? So lashes, you're going to take some coconut oil or 2 oils of your choice. This is making the growth serum for your eyelashes. These are the growth ingredients. So I'm using vitamin E and coconut oil, and I'm going to mix them together with a spoolie so I can apply to my eyelashes as just a protectant, I guess. So I did that, and now we're going to apply this to our eyelashes. I do this every day and night, and trust me, it's made such a difference. It's to the point where my eye doctors even noticed that my eyelashes grew. She thought I curled them, but then I told her the real secret. And also she said, when you use oils, do not get them near your eye. Use very light amounts. It's a warning. But anyways, next up I go with a eyelash gel, so you can use aloe vera gel or store-bought. So actually I'm gonna be honest here, we ran out, so I filled it with aloe vera gel instead, and you know, it just keeps them in place as like almost a primer as well. So my favorite mascaras are the Falsies Push Up Drama by Maybelline, I think that's how you pronounce it, and then the other one is Peacock Flare by Covergirl. So you're just gonna apply. So I'm using the Push Up Drama one. It's the Falsies. It literally says it's like the Falsies, and trust me, I love this one. It works so good. So I suck at applying mascara, but I'm gonna remove that from the eyelid afterwards. So the trick is to like make your wand go outwards to get the real effect. So once I do that, I like to go in with the gel again, the eyebrow and eyelash gel that I showed you earlier by Marcelle. I'll try to link them all in the bio below. I'm treating this like Instagram, my description box. So anyways, here's my spoolie. I like to brush it out again. I've already cleaned it. And lastly, this is the most optional and extra step. I like to take an oil mist just to like add a shine. You see, like I'm on another level of extra, so I just take that on the spoolie and just add it. I know this is like the most extra and unnecessary step ever. Just don't get it in your eyes because these are somewhat fragranced, and you know, that's it. That's how you get the Falsies effect. So here is the before and here is the after. What a difference. So I didn't do my brows in this, but yeah. Anyways, now we're going to remove our makeup. So here's what I use to remove my makeup. Micellar water is a better option. This one actually kind of sucks. It has some alcohol in it, but I'll try to link some good makeup removers and cleansing balms in the description box. So here I'm just taking this stuff and just, you know, rubbing the cream onto my eye and eyebrow. It's super gentle. I honestly don't feel anything. And here's this reusable cotton pad I have. I think they're usually called like spa pads or towels or something. But yeah, you just take that with some water and then wipe off. You don't need to use cleanser after. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. You've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has helped a lot of you guys who've been suggesting this and going crazy. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. Bye!